In a land where the cold can kill in minutes, where daylight fades to shadow for months, one creature burns like a small flame in the endless white. The Arctic red fox, smaller than its cousins to the south, yet far tougher.
Beneath the snow, a heartbeat.
When the storm rises, everything else hides. But he must keep moving, for stillness is death. As darkness swallows the land, even the air seems to freeze. Temperatures plunge to 40 below. Every hair traps warmth. Every layer resists the wind. But the Arctic red fox wears a miracle, a coat that defies the cold. Even in the silence of the polar night, his heart beats steady. Through the blizzard, he carries the fire on, a life too stubborn to go out. When the light returns, he remains survivor of shadow and storm, a small spark in a frozen world,